Hi guys, this is Lily Corneal from Teacher Talks with Mrs. C with a message for you. If you are feeling anxious, stressed, tired, overwhelmed during these difficult times, know that this is normal. This is something that we are all going through that has never happened before. Nothing that we know how to handle right away, but I do know, and I believe you do too, that you're equipped with what it takes to handle it and get through it. Remember that as a teacher and as a parent, we want to control and have everything perfect for our students, for ourselves, and for our own children. And there are some things that are beyond our control. But what you can do right now is reshift your focus to those things that you can control. Those things around you, how you're feeling, things you can do so that you and your family are connecting and feeling better. Right now, it is the pressure of feeling like you have to teach both the students that you have as your own because you are working, and your own children who, if they're school age, also have their work. It is a 100% full-time job on both ends, and for teachers is 3, because parenting, teaching, and then teaching your own children. We all know that you cannot fill another cup from an empty cup. So right now my priority is to remind you that in order for you to help your own children, the children you serve, and the people around you, as a caretaker, as a teacher, and as a provider of support and of social emotional learning as well for your own children, you have to be okay. So my priority today is you. Let me shift your focus from everything else that's around to you. Once you take care of you, you'll be able to realize what are the things that you need to do in order to make sure everybody else is okay. So for now, take a minute, take a breath, drink the coffee, read the book, get the quiet time. Do what it takes and do what you need to do to be okay. You can't be 100% of the teacher, 100% of the parent, and 100% of the teacher to your children as well, because 300% is not possible. So try to stop striving for that perfection and know that you can come up with a plan that will fulfill all those little areas, and it will be all right. Your mental health and sanity, the same as for your kids, comes first. I've dealt with a lot of parents, and right now their struggle is not feeling like they're doing what they can for their children, because some of them are working and this is not what they are trained to do. So my message to those parents is the same as it is for you right now, and it is do the best you can. If you're calm, if you're relaxed, and if you are in a good state of mind, you're going to be helpful to your children and those around you. So take care of you. This will pass. The kids will come back. We will greet them with open arms, and we will help them fill in the gaps like we always do. This is what teachers do. So do the best you can. Your best is good enough. And teacher, parent, your best is good enough too. Treat yourself the way you treat the parents that you serve, and treat your children the way you treat the kids that you serve, and be there for them, because when they get back, their teachers will be there to also help them fill in those gaps. I hope this little message brought a little light, reshaped your perspective a little bit, and reminded you that this will pass. You'll be all right. We gotcha. Have a great day.